And wake up, we're having a birthday. We send Jacob to go to basketball camp, and as we open the door to basketball, a dove flew in the house, and he was by the window. I was going to open the window and just let him out. I took the screen off, and then he flew across the room, so he's behind the couch right now. Hi, Dove. Hi, Dove. Hi, Dove. Ah! Open the door! I can't get her out if you don't open the door!
Kenzie, open the door!
Kenzie, open the door! Ah! There's a bird in the house! Alright, let her go. Oh, I wonder if that's a good sign. Is that a good sign or a bad sign? Now there's a fly. You're scared of the fly. We got the dove out! Yay!
Now you need to put the screen back.
I know.
Ashley, what'd you think? Hey, look at me. Ashley. Hey, what'd you think of the bird? Was he cool or was he creepy?
Almost smashed your foot.
Let's lock the door. She doesn't want that bird back in here.
A bird flew in here?
No. Yeah,
That's a dove.